Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to integrate Calendly with Google Calendar. So first thing that you will do is go to your Calendly, and now you should be able to see here integrations and apps. Now guys, from here you will have Google Calendar. Just simply select this one over here, and if you are not yet connected, you could just simply log in into your account. And as you can see, I haven't connected yet, so just simply go for, so in my case I'm gonna go for reconnect, and as you can see it will prompt me to log in into my account. Just simply select continue, and just simply select continue over here to grant access with Google Calendar. And from there, as you can see, we have successfully integrated our Google Calendar to Calendly. And from here, as you can see, you could check for conflicts. You can just simply select this one, and you could check the conflicts from these calendars over here, and you can just simply select update. And now you could add to a calendar as well. You can just simply select this one, and you will have an option of which calendar should we add new events to, and make sure your Google Calendar account is turned on over here, and make sure you have the correct input. And as you can see, we have a sync cancellation as well, so deleting or declining an event in your calendar will also cancel it in the Calendly. So this will be depending on you, and click on update, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.